Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Traffic cameras are ubiquitous everywhere today, particularly in large cities like New York, capturing endless hours of video that show everything from routine traffic snarls to collisions. But analyzing footage of near misses to determine dangerous intersections or other safety hazards hasn't really been feasible, until now. Researchers at New York University's Tandon School of Engineering have developed a system that can automatically identify collisions and near misses in traffic videos. Called SeeUnsafe, the system is based on multimodal large language models. The team has tested it on the Toyota woven traffic safety dataset and found the model correctly classified video as showing collisions, near misses, or normal traffic 76% of the time. The system also correctly identified specific road users, like pedestrians or cars, involved in these incidents up to 87% of the time. The new SeeUnsafe system also generates reports that detail various factors leading to traffic events, including inclement weather conditions or risky driving maneuvers. Using this information, the research team says transportation officials can implement corrective solutions, like improved signage or redesigned road layouts, to address road safety. The retail industry in recent years has experienced challenges, from staff shortages to increased workloads, thanks in part to the COVID pandemic. But AI-powered technologies are helping to lighten the load. Systems from automation hardware and software developer Zebra Technologies have become a saving grace for many companies, including Total Wine & More, an alcohol retailer headquartered in Maryland. The company has launched a pilot program in 10 of its stores featuring a cloud-based system as service from Zebra. Designed to help frontline associates, the system involves handheld and tablet computers equipped with cameras, all powered by Zebra Companion AI software. This software can analyze image data for pertinent information and also includes an AI chatbot that can instantly provide other necessary information. Company representatives say the Zebra system makes tasks like inventory faster, easier, and more accurate. Hyper-realistic simulation software developer Parallax Worlds has raised $4 million in seed funding, led by Pear VC, bringing the company's total pre-seed and seed funding to $4.9 million. Catering to factories and warehouses that increasingly want to bring robots and other similar automated systems into the mix, Parallax will use the funding to stress test robots before factory deployment. The stress testing allows robotics builders and operators to thoroughly test, measure, and validate the technology's performance with essentially a high-fidelity digital twin before any hardware touches the factory floor. Parallax representatives say the latest seed funding will also be used for product development, staffing, and expansion into large-scale manufacturing. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.